How to rate a driver on DiDi. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can rate a driver on DiDi. Yeah, you can rate your driver on DiDi whenever your DiDi trip is complete, and here is how to go about it. First of all, launch the DiDi application, and then once you're on the home page, move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines, then the options displayed, ensure you select my trips. Now under my trips, you'll see all of the trips that you've had so far. Then tap the trip you want to rate. Just tap the trip, and then after tapping the trip, you will see the option. You will see a rating between 1 to 5 stars. So you will be the one to select a rating between 1 to 5 stars, depending on how your experience was. So ensure it's an honest review that you are, or an honest rating that you are going to drop. All right. So depending on your experience, select a rating between 1 and 5 stars. Tap submit to save your rating, and the driver would be rated. Remember that honest ratings help improve the overall experience for both riders and drivers. So I wish you safe travels with DiDi. Thank you for watching.